Hey guys, today we want to talk about how to properly tension the chain on your Husqvarna 120 Mark II. For this we're just going to need the scrunch, and then to identify our chain tensioning area here on the side of the clutch cover. We'll start with loosening the guide bar nuts on the side of the clutch cover. Once those are loose, thread them just gently back on by hand, and then in combination lifting the guide bar and your scrunch on your chainsaw tensioner, tighten that to the right. Okay, then make sure the chain moves freely. That looks good, so we'll go ahead and tighten the guide bar nuts back down. And you're ready to go.